Let that warm up. I got first fire up. I struggle with the bump box. Yeah, I knew she'd die. She's loading up, but yep. For some reason my front diff is locked up. It's not moving. The wheels move this way, but they don't move. See? It's weird. I had that diff apart too. All I did was change the housing. I don't know what the hell happened. Feels like my brakes locked up. I didn't change nothing. I didn't mess with anything on the buggy. Weird. Kind of weird. Yeah, it's like the brakes are locked up in the front. Huh. Oh well. I'll further investigate it. Don't know what's up with this tune on this engine, but it seems to be a little rich. Weird. I didn't mess with the tune. It's always left alone. because I never ran this engine. Is it? Alright. Try it again. Son of a bitch. Alright. Man, it got to go just perfect. Alright guys, I'll deal with it later. Not getting the flywheel lined up. I'll have to set the pegs. Irritating. But, alright guys, just showing that I got this engine running. I got to figure out why the diff is, I think it's the brake. So I didn't change nothing. I don't understand why they're jammed. Oh, I know why they're jammed. Right here. When I put this other engine on, it had a short throw carb. The throttle slave. Short throw. And when I adjusted my radio to match the stuff, it jammed the front brake up. Alright. Because the engine I had on here had a long slide barrel slave. So this slide barrel slave is short, so it caused my idle to open up. And then when I adjusted the idle down on my radio, it locked the brake up. Alright, I'll figure that out and I'll come back out here and fire this back up. Alright guys, let me deal with these little issues and then I'll come back out here and fire it up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Later.